So in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy, basically marketing strategy behind the scenes, what I did to make almost $4,000. So basically $3,580 in one day with one affiliate offer. So basically I am promoting other people's product. Now, if you're affiliate on ClickBank or any other network, you know that if you buy a course from some guru or a mentor, right, they will tell you, yes, build your lender, Facebook ad or YouTube ad, right? Send people to that lender, and then you're going to get sales after send the traffic, which in some cases can work, right? But in most cases is a big rat race, right? So let me show you in this video exactly. Please stay until the end of this video, right? Remember, I told you at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus tip that you can utilize as soon as today, right now, to start changing your mindset about affiliate marketing and understanding what you should do to have sustainable results. The key here is, again, sustainable results. So let me share here with you. You can see over here the exact method and what you should be doing, right? So as you can see here, this is the wrong way. Why I call it the wrong way? As you can see on this screen, we have the method, which is add affiliate link, Facebook ad affiliate link, Google ad affiliate link, YouTube ad affiliate link, right? And as I said before, right, if you remember, for some people this can work, right? They can make 20% or 70% profit in a day, right? But you are still captured in that rat race. Remember this, if you wake up in the morning, right, check your Facebook ad account, your ads manager, or YouTube, Google ad account, and see your ads has been shut down, what you can do, right? You're not making any money anymore. It's like a gambling business. It's not sustainable model, right? Why not? Let me show you here. You see, we have simple landing page that ClickBank gurus would sell you in the courses, they was, or their launches. They will tell you like, use this method. It can make you millions of dollars, right? But if you look what they're doing is they're basically building assets for themselves. And what is the asset in online marketing? What is the asset? Asset is email marketing, email list. So they are telling you basically, don't build your list. You don't need list, right? Do this lazy and easy way, which is just set up the ad, YouTube ad or Facebook ad, send people to the lender, advertorial, blog, whatever, right? And then you're going to get sales. But what you're basically doing is you are promoting someone else's brand. You are making them richer, right? Why? Because imagine this. On ClickBank, you have a weight loss product, right? You don't own that product. That's great. But the owner, right? They are not spending money on ads. They don't have to. Why? Because they have affiliates like you promoting products. But the dumbest way that people are doing is they are not collecting data. And imagine this, Facebook, right? When you sign up for free, they will ask you for data, for your email address, right? They will ask you for email. Every big company, as Google as well, when you create a Gmail account, is asking you for your own email address, right? So if the big companies are asking you for email, then why in the hell you are not collecting emails yourself and building data? You see, you've been taught the wrong way. Now, when you have the email list, right, what happens? You see right here, you own attention. And the attention is the main thing that you need in 2022 or going further in 2025. Why? Because attention is what is hard to get right now in the world, right? When you own attention, when you own eyeballs, people, right, then you can make passive income, recurring commissions, right? So let me show you over here. Let me show you this. What you can do to win in affiliate marketing space. So you can have higher LTV. What is LTV? LTV is lifetime value of the customer, right? So for example, you can make more money. Why? Because imagine this, you send traffic, right? I send traffic from my Facebook ad or YouTube ad to the lender. Some people will buy, some won't. And after that, what happens? People are gone, right? Yet ClickBank owners are going to make even more money from the same customer over and over again, purchasing the product because they subscribe to their email list, right? So see, be smart when you're building this kind of business, right? You have to have something where you can collect data, send email in the morning, make commissions in the same day, and then also rent out your list. You can sell the business. You can even do many different things, right? Subscription model like Netflix, right? So there are many ways you can utilize over and over again once you have email list, right? So the big problem in ad space is that ad costs are going up, right? Every year, every month, the Google ads, Facebook ads are more expensive. That click is expensive. Now, for some people, that's great. Why? Because they can afford to spend $10,000 per day or $100,000 per day. But newbie, as you watching this video, you cannot maybe afford to spend $100,000 per day or 10,000 euro per day, right? You cannot do that because, right, you don't have that kind of huge budget to afford. So spending the most, the person who spent the most to acquire a customer will win in this game, right? So again, be smart here. Collect data. You pay per click, you get quality leads, you collect data, you nurture that list, and you make repeatable sales over and over again without having to spend any money on ads, right? So that's the goal, to retire as an affiliate, to make thousands of dollars per day or per week. Another thing is, it will help you to get out of the rat race, right? If you're an affiliate, you're in gambling business, you are basically at the mercy of big networks, of ad networks, right? Those big networks, Google, YouTube, Facebook, they will determine what if they shut you down tomorrow, what you can do, right? You cannot do anything, right? You cannot reach support, you can maybe create a new account, but if you get shut down again, right, you cannot make money. So again, build your assets, right? Assets are really important. So you can have also long-term assets and sell the business. Now, another thing that I want to mention to you is this. You can get out the rat race and add stability, which is really important. You have to have stability if you want to have long-term sustainable income, right? Again, scarcity versus abundance mindset. You have to have abundant mindset in this game, right? And you can be happy about ad costs going up. Why? Because you own the list. You have email lists, you have customers, you own, as I said before, eyeballs, you own attention. And once you own attention, you can send out emails, you can even send out different emails to get access to their phone numbers, so on and so forth. So many different ways to make money from the email list. Again, you are thinking as an investor here, right? Long-term investments, right? You can build a team. You can basically build your list, right? You invest dollars to build a list, and then you reap rewards from nurturing that list, right? So it's a great way to make money online. Now, you can also call your customers and talk to them. If you're selling coaching, I don't know what kind of high ticket offers you're promoting, it doesn't matter, right? You can make repeatable sales. You see, this is the answer to retiring in internet marketing. So building assets, really, really important. Now, what to do next, what you can do if you want to have sustainable business, right? When you can build up, let's say, Google Ad account, Google Ad campaign, collect data with lead magnets, collect emails, nurture the email list, send out emails, and make follow-up repeatable sales. This is the answer to win in this online marketing, ClickBank or affiliate marketing, make money online game, right? Whatever you want to call it. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results and start making consistent sales and commissions as an affiliate, then click the links below this video. After watching, smash the like button, please. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. You can share it with your friends if you want to help other people win in this game and start making consistent income online, right? Many courses, many gurus are selling you this easy way, lazy way of online millionaire without having to do any work, without having to, let's say, having an email list, right, or building email list. But I'm telling you, if you really want to win, right, long term, forget about the shortcuts now, forget about the no email list, right? If you really want to win long term, build your asset, right? Once you own that asset, it's like you own a house, right? You can own it, no one's going to take it away. Like tomorrow I can post something weird on Instagram, right? Some normal post about dog training, for example, and Instagram going to shut down my account. I have no way to make money anymore, right? But if you collect emails, you own the data, it's yours. So tomorrow I can send out email again and I'm going to make money again, right? So the goal is here to build your email list to 10,000 subscribers. And if you want to do this, then you are in the right place at the right time, right now. So again, after watching this video, click the links below this video, click the links in the description below, reach out to me on social media. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, or even email me. So all the links are below in the description. Again, Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.